Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Linux to explore 6 powerful tools that not only deliver exceptional functionality, but also make their Windows counterparts look outdated. Whether you're a longtime Linux user or just curious about open source alternatives, this video will show you how these applications bring more to the table than many built-in Windows tools. Number 6. Krita, the next level digital canvas. Let's kick things off with Krita. If you've ever used MS Paint for a quick doodle, you know its simplicity. But that simplicity comes at the cost of advanced features. Krita, on the other hand, offers a wide range of brushes, diverse color spaces, image mirroring, and intuitive sketching tools, making it perfect for digital painting and detailed editing. And since Krita is available on Linux, Windows, and macOS, it provides a flexible platform for artists and designers looking to elevate their creative projects. Number 5. Eversticky, enhanced note-taking for everyone. Next up is Eversticky, a standout sticky notes app for Linux. While Windows sticky notes get the job done for quick reminders, Eversticky adds a layer of functionality by allowing seamless synchronization with Evernote, without requiring a paid subscription. This means you can jot down ideas and access your notes across multiple devices with ease. It's an ideal tool for anyone who needs a reliable digital notepad without the clutter. Number 4. Kdenlive, professional video editing made accessible. At number 4, we have Kdenlive. Remember the days of Windows Movie Maker or the more recent Clipchamp? Kdenlive takes video editing to a whole new level. With its robust feature set, including multi-track editing, a wide range of effects, and precise timeline controls, this free, open-source tool lets you produce professional quality videos without the hassle or cost associated with many commercial video editors. It's a game changer for content creators who demand flexibility and power from their editing software. Number 3. GIMP, advanced image manipulation without the price tag. Coming in at number 3 is GIMP, the GNU Image Manipulation Program. When it comes to photo editing and digital artwork, GIMP stands out with features that far surpass what you'd find in basic applications like MS Paint or even some Windows alternatives like Paint.net. Whether you're touching up photos, creating digital art, or designing graphics, GIMP provides a comprehensive toolkit that rivals even some high-end commercial software. And because it's continuously updated by a dedicated community, you can always count on it to keep pace with modern design needs. Number 2, VLC, the ultimate media player. Our runner-up is VLC. Widely known as one of the most versatile media players available, VLC can handle virtually any audio or video file format you throw at it, but it doesn't stop at playback. VLC also offers screen capture, media conversion, and basic editing tools like trimming and clipping. Its cross-platform compatibility means you get the same robust performance on Linux, Windows, or macOS, making VLC the go-to solution for all your media needs. Number 1, LibreOffice, a complete office suite for free. Topping our list is LibreOffice, a full-featured office suite that serves as a powerful alternative to Microsoft Office. Pre-installed on many popular Linux distributions, LibreOffice includes everything you need, from word processing and spreadsheets to presentations and more. Its strong compatibility with Microsoft file formats, DOCX, XLSX, PPTX, etc., makes it an excellent choice for professionals, students, and everyday users alike. With continuous updates and a user-friendly interface, LibreOffice proves that you don't have to pay a premium to get top-notch productivity software. Conclusion. There you have it. 6 powerful Linux tools that not only challenge, but often outdo their Windows alternatives. From creative solutions like Krita and GIMP to productivity powerhouses like LibreOffice and VLC, Linux offers a robust ecosystem of applications that cater to a wide range of needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What Linux tools do you rely on? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.